Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with Workday, Workday.intl, NETWORKDAY and NETWORKDAY.intl, these four functions in Excel. So let's start. So let's go with Workday first. So to work with Workday, type Workday, double click on it, the function will be enabled, select start date, comma, then days. Workday. So here, if we think that we need 15 days to complete a particular project, then after working for 15 work days, what is the date uh, when we think the project will be ended? Workday returns the date. Okay, so here uh, you can see the third argument is holidays, but it is optional. So let's ignore it first. Here you can see after 15 working days, June 24 is the date when the project will be completed. Here, if you see, if I count how many days are there between these two dates, we'll find there are 21 days. But previously we mentioned 15 days. So why these extra 6 days? Because there are weekends. If we start from 3, if we end in 24, then workday will not count the start day. So from 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 4 days. Saturday and Sunday are by default weekend in Excel, so this will not be calculated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. So 24 is the date and it completes 15th day. Now let's work with consider holidays. Workday, then select start date, comma, let's assume that project will be completed within 15 days. And what is the day? Now consider this one holiday. Okay, one holiday, that is June 11, and we can see that, sorry, in June 11 the, this was work day, so it will not be considered now. If this holiday is in Saturday on Sunday, that will not be counted, but because it is within work day, this will be counted. So 11 and 12 both are on work day. So let's consider, if we consider that, then we can see that June 25 is the day when we will be able to finish working for 15 work days and adjusting one holiday. If we adjust two holidays, then select both of them, you can see rather June 24, now it is showing June 26. So this is how we can work with workday. Remember, workday returns the date and workday doesn't count the start day. Now workday.intl. So what are the difference between two functions? Workday by default follows Saturday and Sunday is weekend. So because it is default in Excel, but in different countries the weekends are different. So you can adjust if you want to adjust. Then you have to work with workday.intl function. It will also return a date, and workday.intl will not count the start date. Everything is similar, but the difference is only you can adjust your weekend on your preference. So let's work with workday.intl. Double click on it, this function will be enabled, then select start date, comma, suppose our project needs 15 days to be completed, comma, here we can see weekend and holidays option, and because these are in third bracket, these are both of them are optional. So if we want, we can ignore this, or if we want to adjust, then give a comma, then this will give you a box where you can adjust your weekends. In my country, Friday and Saturday is my weekend. Okay, so I'm double clicking on this to enable this, then comma, I'm not giving holidays this time. Okay, so here we can see June 24 is the date when 15 working days will be completed. If we start with June 3, June 3, and remember Friday and Saturday is our weekend this time. So June 3, if we start and workday doesn't count the starting day, so from 4 will be counted 1, 2, 3. These two are weekends. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weekends. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weekends. 14, 15. So June 24 is the date. Now let's do it again. Give start date, then 15 working days I want to complete, weekend, Friday and Saturday, comma, and let's see there are two holidays between this. uh, okay, so you can see two more days is added because June 11 and June 11 and 12, these are within work days. That's why it is also counted. If these 2 days were between set Friday and Saturday, that is weekend, then these won't be counted. Okay, so that's how you can work with workday.intl function. Now network days. So workday and workday.intl, they both returns a date. Here we can see, and network days and network days.intl, they returns number of days between two dates. So this is the difference. They will return number of days, and workday does not count the start day, but and so does workday.intl. But network days and network days.intl, they both count start day. Okay, so let's work network days, double click on it to enable, then select start date, comma, end date. Here we cannot select end date, so I am going, okay, I am selecting this, then give a comma, then holidays. Right now I am not considering any holidays. So you can see from this date to this date, there are 16 days. Let's prove it. June 3, so the starting day is June 3 and the ending date is June 24. And by default, this works in this function. Saturday and Sunday is the weekend in by default. Okay, so if we start from date 3, and in network day 3 will also be counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Saturday and Sunday is weekend. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16 is weekend. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 23 is weekend. Then this is the 16th day, 24, as this is the ending date, so this is 16th day. Now let's do it again. Network days, start date, end date, then let's consider both of them as holidays. 14. Now let's prove it. So 11 and 12 is our holidays, 11 and 12. So if 3 is our start day and 24 is our ending day, and this is by default, Saturday and Sunday is our weekend. So let's count how many days, working days are there. So from 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are not included. 6, these are not included as holidays. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, these are not included. 14. So this is how you can work with network days. Now to work with networkdays.intl, let's type, double click on it, it will be enabled, then select start date, comma, you cannot see the option for ending date. Okay, I'm selecting this option and I am moving through my arrow key from keyboard, and it is selected now, comma. Then in this network.intl, we have the uh, option that we can select the weekend on our own. So in our country, Friday and Saturday is our weekend. I'm selecting this. Then uh, let's ignore holiday for now. There are 16 days. Let's do it again. 3 to 24. So in this we have given that Friday and Saturday is our weekend. So and network int also counts the starting day. So 1, 2, 3, 4 weekends, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weekends, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 weekends, 15 and 16. So these are 16. Let's apply this function again. .intl. Now select start date, comma, end date, comma, weekend is Friday and Saturday. If you want, you can give only one day as your weekend from any of this option. But for now, I am selecting Friday and Saturday as our weekend, comma. Let's select both of these as our holidays. Now you can see the number is 14. How it is 14? So from 3 to 24, 7 and 8, Friday and Saturday is our weekend, and 11, 12 is our holiday. So let's count, including 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then these are off. 7, 8, 7. Then these are weekends. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weekends. 13 and 14. So this is how you can work with INTL. Now, hypothetically, think a person has no weekends, no holidays at all. How bad luck is his? Okay, in that case, type networkdays.intl, then start days, end day, and there is no weekend. So within inverted comma, type 0 for 7 times. 5, 6, 7. Inverted comma close. And because we have not mentioned any holidays, so this means no weekends, no holidays. So from start date to end date there are 22 days. Let's prove it. From 3 to 24, so it will also include 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Now, if a person doesn't have any weekends but only he can enjoy holidays, so in that case, networkdays.intl, select start date, end date, then there is no weekend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But he has holidays. We can see 20. Let's prove it. So from 3 to 24, now we have to go, and June 11 and 12, these two dates will not be counted here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these two are not counted. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So if you work with workday and network days, they are for by default, that is Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. And if you want to adjust your weekend on your own, on your preference, then workday.intl and networkdays.intl, these are your options. That's all for today. Thank you very much.